Welcome to this afternoon's walk round tour. This is the Bayfront Hotel, Bayfront Resort Hotel, located at the end of Khao Lak, just as you enter. Um, I've actually done a review of this hotel, but now I've been here for a week and decided to stay for another few more weeks. I've just decided to do another review, give you a bit more in depth of what the hotel has to offer, um, and my personal opinions of it. So we'll start here at the second pool. This is the pool nearest the ocean, just to give you an idea. The time of filming is currently first week in June. Currently been in Thailand for around about 3 weeks now. The weather's been everything from afternoon. The weather's been from pouring down, torrential rain and showers, to blistering sunshine. Today the weather's stiflingly hot. It's got to be around about 34, judging by the temperature. Red flag's up, but they keep the red flag up I think everywhere this time of year. The sea's relatively calm at the moment. Here we go. So it's right on the headland, as you can see. We have lots of sun lounge, well, yeah, a moderate amount of sun lounges. The sea's nice and calm today. We have more sun lounges. So the review is slightly backwards. I'm starting at the beach side rather than starting from reception. So as a guest, I suppose, I've got a little bit more of an in-depth opinion at the moment. So these are your premium rooms. These are the beachfront villa rooms. You can currently book and stay at the hotel and pay a slight premium to stay at the beachfront. They've got beachfront villas on this side. And again, they've got a couple over here. They have a direct view of the ocean, which is quite nice. And I can imagine sat here in the evening, watching the sun go down, being absolutely heaven. I'll just take you onto the balcony so you can get an idea of exactly what you get. Nice little sofa here, a couple of chairs, and in the room itself, the room's locked so I can't show you in, but there you go. You get a bathroom to the rear. All the rooms offer a fridge. And it looks like, looking through the window, you can get a jacuzzi as well, which is quite nice. And here is your view. Fantastic. Okay, so I'll walk you back through the hotel. So this is the pool I showed you a moment ago. More villas, and between the two pools you have a snack bar and pool bar. It offers a daytime menu, which I'll show you in a moment, and it also offers you a more comprehensive evening menu. The food here is really good, by the way. It's not much, I don't think it's anything more expensive than street prices, to be honest. Lots of shade. If you do have a little bit of bad weather and it does rain, you can sit under here and have your lunch in peace. I'm just going to clean my lens. I think I've got a big fingerprint on, so bear with me. Very professional. There we go. I always shoot these videos in one take, no editing, no music, no titles, just as it is. So, hello. Howdy cap. The staff here are great. I fell over the other day and they looked after me and bandaged me up quite well. They were very kind enough to do that for me. Here we go, drinks, cocktails, And we have a menu which I'll just grab. Oh, there we go. Thank you very much. Quick view of the menu. Lunchtime menu, appetizers. Salads. Food here is really nice. Had a couple of meals here. Would highly recommend having dinner here.
Yes.
Very good food. Burgers are good, by the way, as well. Really tasty burger. Cheaper than McDonald's and much better quality. There we go. Okay. Hand through slowly so you get an idea. Desserts, etc. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, have we go.
We have the second pool here with sun chairs. Do the walking tour. Yeah, just a view back here. Now, tell me that this place isn't beautiful. Like I say, you can get this hotel in low season in June on Agoda from around £22 to £30 for a standard room per night for 2 people, including breakfast. We've also got, I'll talk quietly here, we have massage. I'll just give you an overview of the price. There's no one here at the moment, so I'm not intruding. Here are all the prices. Okay, you know my previous videos, I've not done a room review, but I'll show you where I'm staying. This isn't the basic standard room, this is one above. So, chairs, and a really nice, big chill out area here. And it's got a ramp. So for disabled people, or anyone with walking difficulties or needs wheelchair access, it's a winner. Okay, take you in. Here we go, here's my room. The air conditioning here is fantastic. During the day, you just get so much condensation on the glass if you have your air conditioning switched down. You do get nice big telly. It's got English channels and some random channels. I've not actually turned it on yet. I've been here a week and not bothered watching it. You do get phone to reception, remote controls and a torch. This is, I push this bed to the side just to give me more space because I just like to chill out, put my feet up, read my book, have a game of chess and relax in my room. And because you have such a big panoramic view in your window, you can just basically just chill out and watch the world go by. You don't even need to leave your room. So just to give you an idea of my view, that's an idea of my view, which I think is absolutely unbelievable. Okay, it's your basic aircon. It's not nothing fancy, it's just a dial and it works. So into the bathroom, turn the lights on. You have a shower, nothing special. Me in the mirror. You get some basic amenities, shampoo, etc. Hanger for your wet stuff, fresh towels every day, umbrella, safe, kettle. I always bring a power bank because there's never enough sockets in a room to charge your stuff, and a nice little fridge. Fridge works well, and a nice box, which is really handy. Okay, so basic room tour. And I've had no idea why they put these things in. They put them in all the hotels. Why would you want to watch basically someone on the toilet? Don't know. Anyway, leave that shut. Okay, so that's the room tour of my room. I'm not going to review any other rooms because this is the only room I've been in. As I say, it's not the basic room, it's the one above the basic room. I'll walk you up to breakfast. The other rooms are accessed by the stairs and are upstairs here. They're doing loads of just maintenance work here at the moment. June is low season, so this has been filmed in June. Oh, do like and subscribe, by the way. It really helps other people who do enjoy this kind of content get to see it. YouTube will promote it if you do like and subscribe. So, gardening going on, different painting, redoing the soft furnishing. Here we go, maintenance over there in the corner, just fixing stuff. Across this little bridge here. As I say, I have reviewed this hotel before, but now I've been here for a little while. It's just nice to give you a slightly more in-depth view. Lovely big fish. Now this is a great spot. You can get takeout from the centre, and you can sit here, chill out, and have yourself a nice takeout. Then we have a library here, aircon. This would be a great workstation if you want to get a little bit of work done for those digital nomad types. While you get a bit of work done, this will be your view. And what a view that would be to sit down and do a little bit of vlogging or whatever. Answering the odd email. Okay, so I'll take you upstairs to the restaurant. You can hear the power washer going on, the jet washing all the stairs at the moment. Morning. Kitchen here. No. This level of restaurant's currently closed. All the tables are all stacked up, but I'll just give you a view from here. Here we go, busy, busy, busy workers. Hello. Keeping the place nice and tidy. Now, one thing about staying in Thailand and staying in a place like this is the heat. And if you don't have some greenery, canopies and foliage, you are just gonna melt. Hello! This place has lots of foliage and it keeps you cool. Breakfast. Got your basic stuff going on, juice in the morning. Toast machine that actually works. Egg corner. Do you any kind of eggs you want. You do all the fruit in here. And when they do a buffet style, all your buffet style stuff is here. It's low season at the moment, it's not full capacity, so they're offering an a la carte style menu. So you can get like a full American breakfast, omelettes, waffles, any eggs you want, cereal, toast, coffee. There you go. So I've been in here for breakfast most mornings. Well, every morning to be honest. Breakfast is average. It's absolutely nothing special, but the eggs are good. But I wouldn't rave over it. Yet again, more lovely gardens. The whole place is on a hill, so do bear that in mind if you do have walking difficulties. It's not a massive hill, but it is a slight gradient, which I'll show you in a minute. These, I think, are the standard rooms, or a selection of standard rooms. And reception is just up at the top. I'll walk you up to reception. Reception staff are really friendly here. More gardens. We've just been cutting the grass here today and watering. You will see the odd lizard. Lots of birds in the trees. Big lizards on the beach occasionally. Lizards just hanging around the pool. This hotel is one of the first hotels as you come into Khao Lak as you drop down the hill. So for 100 baht, they will order you a taxi, which will take you into central Khao Lak. We've got that for the car park here. Hello. Reception, really nice reception, people. Hello. A little chill out area. If you're going on tours and stuff and you don't want to stay in a room while you're on a tour, they will store your bags. That's the menu there, so you can see the whole place on a slight hill. There's steps, and as you can see, there's a sloping path. It's not a massive gradient, but it is a gradient still. Okay, so there we go. I will conclude the tour here. If you do like, please like and subscribe. It does really help the channel. I do enjoy doing these walkthrough videos. As I said, I just do them in one take. Nothing fancy. I say it as I see it. I can only give my personal opinion. But if this does help, and you do enjoy this kind of content, please come back to the channel, recommend us, and thank you for watching.